Hello students, this is the second video of lesson 14 coming of the British and the Revolt of 1857. Now we have completed some topics and our today's topic is exploitation of Indians by the British and revolt against the British. Once they were firmly established in India, the British started using many unfair means to achieve their aim of getting rich. The British began exploiting the farmers. Indian farmers had to pay heavy taxes irrespective of the yield they produce. As a result, they become very poor. Similarly, the weavers were forced to sell the cloth they produce at very low prices. Manipulation of import and export duties by the British rulers so as destroy the supremacy of the Indian goods, especially cotton and silk fabrics over the British goods. The weavers were forced to sell the cloth they produce at very low prices. The Indian cotton industries was also a victim of British greed. British did not grow cotton due to cold climate, but they had big cotton textile mills which required cotton. So cotton was brought at a low price from the Indian farmers. The British also did not allow Indians to start their own mills or factories. This exploitation led to dissatisfaction among the Indians and a feeling of revolt grew in them. Now our next topic is revolt against the British. Introduction. The Indian Revolt of 1857 began as a mutiny of Sipahi of the East India Company Army on 10th May 1857 in the town of Meerut. The revolt of 1857 was the most severe outburst of anger of discontent accumulated in the hearts of various sections of the Indian society ever since. Historians called it a Sipahi mutiny and the Indian historians termed it as the First War of Independence. There are some causes of this revolt. Number 1, political cause. Policies of British like doctrine of lapse and subsidiary alliance. These are the political cause. Number 2, social cause. Practice of sati and widow remarriage was encouraged, child marriage not allowed, which is not accepted by common people. Number 3, religious cause. Hindus and Muslims were forced to convert to Christianity. Number 4, economic causes. Heavy taxes are of economic causes. Number 5, administrative cause. Unrest spread among the landlords of Bengals. Number 6, military cause. Discrimination between British and Indians soldiers. The revolt of 1857, which began at Meerut, soon spread to northern and central India. It was joined by farmers, craftspersons, and the other section of Indian society. Indian soldiers overthrew their superior and marched to Delhi to crown Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal emperor, as their king. Indian rulers such as Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, Nana Sahib Tatya Tope, and Kunwar Singh joined the rebels. Rani Lakshmi Bai was martyred and Nana Sahib continued the battle. The revolt continued for 2 years before it was crushed by the British. The mutiny failed because it lacked power, leadership, and planning. The British had better trained soldiers and superior weapons. Also, some Indian rulers helped the British. Bahadur Shah Zafar was arrested and exiled to Burma, now Myanmar, where his last breathed his last. His 2 sons were killed, bringing the once mighty Mughal emperor to an end. The revolt was a turning point in the Indian history. The rule of the East India Company ended and India came under the direct control of British Crown. After the revolt, Indians realized that if the whole of India had been united, the British would have ever succeed. After 2 long and bloody years of the revolt, it was finally suppressed. Now, these are 2 maps which shows the centers where the British set up trade, and second one shows place where the revolt of 1857 begins. And I have given you some assignment work, that is explain the causes of revolt of 1857, and also question of map, which is given at page 91, map skill. Now thank you all of you.